In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste text as unformatted in a Microsoft Word document. This can be incredibly useful when you're trying to avoid carrying over unwanted formatting from a website or another document. Let's get started and make it easy for you to create clean, unformatted content in your Word files, no matter where you're pulling your text from. First, open up the Microsoft Word file where you want to paste your text. Maybe you're taking notes, drafting a report, or just organizing information for a project. A lot of times, when we copy text from the internet and paste it directly into Word, we bring along unwanted styles, links, or fonts. That's where unformatted pasting comes in as a lifesaver. Imagine you're browsing in Google Chrome and you find a paragraph of text that you want to include in your document. You highlight the text, right-click, and select Copy. Now switch over to your open Microsoft Word document. Instead of using the traditional Ctrl+Phi to paste or right-clicking and selecting Paste, you'll hold down a slightly different combination of keys. Press and hold Ctrl, Alt, and then tap V. This key combination might feel a bit unusual at first, but it opens up a very handy dialog box. This box offers different pasting options. You'll see several choices, but your focus should be on unformatted text. Selecting this option means the text you paste will match the style and font of your existing Word document without any extra formatting baggage from the web or other sources. Now simply click OK, and voila! The text appears in your document as if it were typed there originally, seamlessly integrating with your existing content structure. You'll notice it won't bring in any links, bold or italicized fonts, or bizarre spacing issues. This method keeps everything neat and ensures that your document maintains its intended style throughout. After you've pasted your text, take a moment to check if it needs any quick formatting adjustments or additions. Sometimes you may want to include bullet points or adjust the layout slightly depending on your needs. However, starting with unformatted text gives you a clean slate, making your editing process smoother. Before we wrap up, remember that mastery of simple techniques like this can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you frequently work with content sourced from different places. Practice makes perfect, so give this method a try next time you're working on a project in Word. And that's it. You're now a pro at pasting unformatted text into Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.